Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is the first time my voice is heard here and I'm so excited to be here, guys. So make my straight pocket with me. Sometimes it's called the hidden pocket, or the side pocket. So guys, I already have my two front part pants with me, and this is my pocket, guys, and it is already measured 14 inches in length and 6.5 inches in width. Yeah, this is 14 inches in length already unfold and 6.5 inches in width. Okay guys, if you're new to my channel, do well to subscribe. I post videos that are very beginners friendly, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always being here, guys. Okay, so here is my pocket. I already opened it up on the wrong side, and I'm going to be measuring 6.5 inches for my pocket opening. I'm grabbing my fabric pencil now and I'll be measuring 6.5 inches. Okay, in between 6.57 inches is a perfect pocket size for an adult. Mind you, this is a female pant and 6.5 inches is just perfect for us. Okay, so guys, I'm marking 7 inches on my fabric, and that's because I've added half an inch to be able to attach my band. Okay, so after the half an inch, 6.5 inches will be used for my pocket opening, and I'm marking that right away on my fabric, and I'll be making a notch at this point. Okay, at my half inch up I'll make a notch, and at 7 inch down I'll make a notch, guys. So guys, notch to notch I'll stitching. Okay guys, watch closely and just grab what I'm doing here. Mind you, my notching is an half inch sewing allowance. You can say it's half inch wide. So now let's sew. So guys, after that is done, the next now is to flip over and top stitch. Okay, and make sure that the same allowance is just beneath the pant. Okay, beneath the trouser, not beneath the pocket now. Okay guys, after top stitching, the next is for you to flip the pocket beneath the pant and secure it just as I'm doing. You need to make a very short stitch at the very point where your stitch begins. After the half inch, make a very short stitch just to secure the pocket with the pants in place. So guys, after that is done, the next is for you to fold your pocket beneath your pants. Okay, make it look like a pocket just as I'm doing. Watch closely and make sure you're leaving half inch away from the pocket opening, just like so, and make sure you're securing your two pieces with some pins. Okay, just to make sure your next stitch is straight and neat. Okay guys, this is what I'm doing, just trying to secure my pieces together just to have a more neater stitching. Okay guys, after that is done, please watch closely. Right now I'm about to secure my pockets the more to my pants. Okay, so I'm just going ahead to mark 1 inch from the end part of my pocket beneath my trouser pants, and I'm going to secure it the more. I'm actually securing it at the top so that at the end of the day my band is going to be covering that stitch. Okay, by the time I'm attaching my band, that stitch area will be covered. That is out of the way. The next thing to do now is for us to close the remaining part of our pocket. Okay, so to do this, I will be stitching on the right part of the pocket. Watch closely what I'm doing. I'll open it up and stitch on the right part of the pocket, after which I will turn the pocket back on the wrong side, okay? Then I will top stitch. Please watch closely. Okay guys, at this point our pocket is almost ready, like we are 90% out of the way guys, and it's all looking neat as you can already see. If you can follow the steps guys, you will have a very beautiful pocket at the end of the day. So the next thing to do now is to secure the two pieces together at the end of the pocket opening. You remember the same short stitch I made at the beginning, that's the upper part of the pocket opening. I'm doing the same at the end, just to make sure that your pocket doesn't tear up later on in the future. So you secure that part to make sure that you are good to go. So guys, we are now on the last step in this pocket making, and which is, you know, sewing in your back part of the pant. Yes, this is it guys. You're sewing in the back part of the pant, and that is the end of, you know, the pocket making of your trouser pants. So guys, to do this, you have to sew it very closely to the pocket opening. Yes, you're sewing very closely to the pocket opening. I already held the two pieces together with some pins just to make sure that I have a very straight sewing at this end. So make sure you're careful and you sew down just as I'm doing. Have you already subscribed to this channel? If you have not, please do subscribe, encourage me. It's a new channel, help me to grow, and please like this video to make me do more of this beginner friendly tutorials, and please share with your loved ones wherever you think need this video. I'll be so obliged. Our pocket is so ready. Look at it guys, look at how neat, how beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is it. Yeah, you have your beautiful pocket. So guys, thank you for watching. We have come to the end of this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.